Let's rank the top 26 data science algorithms for practical data science. Speed run. Topic clustering the old school way, don't need it. John calls this the coolest idea in ML in the last 20 years, but are you going to use it? No. The brute force way for feature selection, but really, recursive feature elimination works just fine. It's a great technique, but that detail confuses lots of people. Just find a simpler way. These are sequential neural networks. You still use them a little bit in time series, but who knows? They might make a big comeback. The OG decision tree. It's what I often show to stakeholders, even if I use something else. The granddaddy of reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning's trying to make a comeback, but this is still pretty niche. People will tease you for using it. Still works decently for time series. A lot of people use them. Get respect from the old school statisticians and confuse newbies. The GOAT for anomaly detection. Coolest name ever. Simple to understand it. Learn how to use it. Classic approach for dimensionality reduction. Who doesn't like curves? Classic time series. Great baseline to use. I haven't used this much, but it's a baseline with text classification with TF-IDEA. It rocks for working with images. You're going to use them. Everybody understands it. It's more used for teaching than actual practical use. Top of the pyramid for dimensionality reduction, standard now. My go-to approach for clustering high-dimensional data. A classic in dimensionality reduction. I read about it and hear about it more than I actually use it. They're everywhere. They've been used for the last 40 years. It's foundational. At its base, it's very simple and elegant, but you can build much more complex algorithms on top of it. The GOAT for clustering, and I love the elbow method. If you're okay with the uncertainty of that, you're going to do good in data science. An elegant ensembling method. The best baseline, and add regularization, and you've got a workhorse for classification. Steadily moving up the rankings, they're being used everywhere from text to images for all sorts of applications. The meat of data science in the enterprise. They're bringing more value than all the other algorithms combined. It's one that you're going to use if you're working inside enterprises.